Hello everyone, so if you want to set up, enable and disable the mobile hotspot on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, so first of all locate your settings. Now in your settings you have to find more connectivity options and here find your portable hotspot option. So to enable it, simply tap on the switch near it. Now let's set it up, so press set up portable hotspot. Here you can give it a name, so let's name it Redmi Hotspot. Alright, you should also set up a password because it has some auto-generated one. Of course you can leave it, but I recommend you set it on your own. So it has to be at least 8 characters long. Alright, also you can choose your security protocol, however I recommend leaving it on the default one and cite it SSID, whether to cite it or not. So at the top right corner, press on the check mark to finish up setting up your hotspot. Also here you can share a QR code for your friends to connect to it easily, right? Now swipe down from the top of the screen and find your hotspot version. Here it is. So every time you will need hotspot. Now to open up your settings and go through all of that process again, you can simply tap on this icon to enable it or disable it right from your quick settings. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.